Inkombankombane yecala lokubulala bobathathu abasolwa badalule ukuthi angeke balivume icala. Ummeli kaNdyalvane uthi abukho ubufakazi obuqinile obumeyamanisa naleli cala. Ngakolunye uhlangothi Whiteboy yena uthi wayalelwa nguNdyalvane ukuthi adubule. Phezu kwalokhu uthi wayengazi ukuthi isibhama siphethe esinezinhlamvu zangempela. Ummeli wakhe uthi ubufakazi bombuso ukubashushisa buntekenteke.
If the state case is non-existent, why is Nathaniel Julius dead? He died because he was shot and killed by applicant number 2. This was a deliberate and intentional act on the part of applicant number 2 to shoot and kill the deceased.
Kuvele nokuthi Whiteboy usongelwe ngokubulawa nguNdyalvane kanye nezikhulu zemgulukudu esishushumbisa izidakamizwa eEldorado Park. iMantshi ibalule ukuthi namanje ayiqonda ukuthi kungani uNetshiongolo ekulinxushunxushu ngoba ngosuku lwesigameko kwabe kungelona usuku lwakhe lokuba semsebenzini. Yabeke isisethula isinqumo sokubenqabela ibheyili.
If released on bail, I have no doubt in my mind that there is a likelihood that this will disturb public peace and public order and security. I come to the conclusion that the 3 applicants have failed on a balance of probabilities to prove exceptional circumstances. Consequent thereto, their application to be admitted to bail is dismissed at this stage.
I can say now that I'm happy. I'm feeling very confident about this case because my child was brutally murdered. It's difficult for me every day because I'm missing him too much.
Umbuso uqhubekile ngesinqumo senkantolo kanti uWhiteboy uthi uzosiphosela inselele asolwa nabo akwaziwa ukuthi bazothatha siphi isinyathelo.